Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify print-ready files for Staples business cards. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your print-ready files for Staples business cards, start by opening your design file. Ensure your file format is PDF, as this is the preferred format for printing. Check the dimensions of your business card design. For standard size, your card should be 3.5 inches by 2 inches. Next, confirm that your design includes a bleed area. Add an extra 0.125 inches on each side to accommodate for trimming. This means your final document size should be 3.75 inches by 2.25 inches. Open your PDF in Adobe Acrobat or any other PDF reader. Zoom in to check the clarity of your images and text. Ensure that resolution is at least 300 dpi to maintain print quality. Verify that all text is converted to outlines or embedded fonts to avoid font compatibility issues. Now, check your color settings. Make sure your color mode is set to CMYK, as this is optimal for printing. Review the margins of your design, ensuring important elements are not too close to the edges. Once satisfied, review any additional files for logo or image assets. Look for any missing links or elements in your design. Save your file and prepare it for upload. Go to the Staples website and select the business cards option. Upload your verified PDF file. Follow the prompts to select your card options and finalize your order. Double-check all selections before proceeding to payment. Finally, keep a copy of your design file for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.